What's up, guys? This is Higgins with Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color. On today's episode, we are taking a deep dive into FlashForge's high-speed PLA in metallic red. So one of the things I do love about their unboxing is the fact that it is in a cardboard box. Would prefer kind of a neutral color. Also, that it comes with a Mylar bag, which is always great to see for honestly any filament that can be affected by UV light. These ones are resealable with the nice Ziploc thing. So if you're in a pinch, you can always utilize that for good storage. Anyway, this is the metallic red color. As you can see, a nice shine, great color kind of thing. Anyway, as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always dry our filament for at least 6 hours. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in the filament dryer, and I'll see you back here shortly. Alright, so if you're new here, we always start out by printing a benchy in the generic filament settings in Bamboo Studio. In this case, generic PETG. So we're going to get that sliced, and should take a just shy of an hour. As well as we're going to get that printed and all the other test prints done. So I will see you back here. Well, it'll be like very quick for you, but I'll see you back there soon. Alright, so as you know, here are all the test prints. We start out with the generic benchy. Basically looks pretty good, except for like some minor issues with the Z there at the bottom. As you can see, it's a little bit wonky, so we're going to see about rectifying that as we continue on with the test prints. Next up, we have the dimensional cube. This is printed 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed in spiral Voss mode. No real major issues as far as I can tell with that. Next up, we have the temperature tower. And the temp tower for this one, the best one, looks to be right at 240 without any sort of stringing or globbing or anything like that that you would expect, potentially could expect. That little bottom there is from the brim when I got off the build plate. Next up, we have the retraction test. Retraction test performed very well, no stringing, nothing like that in that any area there. Next up, we had the max volumetric speed test, and for this one, max volumetric speed was 28 millimeters per second cubed. This one had no real issues handling that quickly. The overhang test, though, did fail. It failed right at about 60 degrees, so there's just something to be on the lookout for if you're looking at working with this filament. No real major issues with that, though. Just enable supports a little bit sooner. Next up, we got those settings dialed in and reprinted that benchy. As you can see, it turned out absolutely wonderfully. A great color that I'm really a big fan of. So at time of filming, you can pick this up over at Amazon for less than $22 a spool. My overall thoughts for this one is a little bit pricier than what I would expect to pay for PETG. It's just right on that cusp, but you know, with everything happening now, sometimes it's like that. So, but overall, I'd say very good filament. FlashForge is in the news a lot recently with their new tool changers, which I haven't tested or anything. But yeah, pretty good filament. Anyway, if you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the nice YouTube things. I'm a relatively new channel, and it does help. Anyway, this has been Higgins with Legal Automations. Hope to see you back here next time.